Choosing a great phone under $400 can feel confusing. Today, I'll make it super simple. I tested 5 of the best options, and I'll show you what each phone is really good at: camera, performance, battery, and long-term use, so you can pick the one that fits your needs perfectly. Let's start. Number 1. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro. This phone comes with a curved 6.67 AMOLED display, a 200-megapixel main camera, and strong global network support. It's designed for users who want premium design, huge storage, 512 gigabytes, and reliable 5G, 4G on international bands. The 200-megapixel camera performs surprisingly well: sharp daytime photos, good low-light shots with decent detail. The curved screen feels premium and scrolling is smooth. Battery lasts easily a day with heavy use, and charging is extremely fast. The OS feels polished, though slightly heavy with extra features. Choose this if you want the best camera, flagship-like design, maximum storage, and fast charging under this budget. Number 2. Google Pixel 8. Pixel 8 focuses on clean software, smart AI features, a compact design, and one of the most reliable camera systems. Runs on Google's own Tensor chip with long-term software support. The camera is consistently excellent. Skin tones accurate, low light amazing, portrait mode natural. The software is clean, smooth, and extremely easy to use. AI features like voice typing, call screening, and photo editing feel genuinely helpful. Battery easily lasts a full day. Buy this if you want the best software, the most consistent camera, and long-term Android support that stays fast and secure for years. Number 3. OnePlus 10 Pro. A former flagship with a big 6.7-inch AMOLED display, Hasselblad-tuned triple camera, powerful Snapdragon chipset, and fast performance. The phone feels super snappy. Apps open instantly, gaming is smooth, and the display quality is excellent. The camera is good, especially ultra-wide, but colors sometimes vary. Battery life is strong, and charging is very fast. The phone feels premium in hand. Pick this if you want top-tier speed, a big premium display, and flagship-level performance for gaming and heavy multitasking. Number 4. Nothing Phone 3A. A stylish phone with a 6.77-inch AMOLED, 120Hz screen, 50-megapixel triple camera, transparent design, and clean Android 15 experience. The UI is extremely clean, no bloat, very fast. The AMOLED screen looks vibrant and smooth. Camera performance is solid for everyday use, especially daytime shots. The design stands out, lightweight but premium. Battery life is reliable, and heat management is good. Buy this if you want clean software, smooth performance, and a unique modern design that feels premium without spending too much. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. A balanced mid-range phone with IP rating, solid AMOLED screen, dependable battery, and wide network compatibility. Samsung software is stable and optimized. The display is bright outdoors, video playback looks great, and the phone stays smooth over time. The camera is consistent for daytime use and battery life is strong. Samsung software updates are reliable and the build quality feels solid. Choose this if you want a safe, balanced phone, good display, strong battery, and long-lasting stability for everyday use.